Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best dash cam to protect yourself on the road in 2026, you've come to the right place. A quality dash cam can record every drive, provide valuable evidence in case of an accident, and give you extra peace of mind with features like parking monitoring, GPS tracking, and crystal clear night vision. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best dash cams on Amazon in 2026. Whether you want a compact dual camera setup or a premium mirror dash cam, we've got an excellent option for every driver. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's get started. Number 1. REDTIGER F7N Touch 4K STARVIS 2 Dash Cam. Our top pick is the REDTIGER F7N Touch, a premium front and rear dash cam packed with advanced features. It records stunning 4K Ultra HD video in the front while capturing clear rear footage, ensuring every important detail is recorded on the road. The Sony STARVIS 2 sensor delivers exceptional image quality during both daytime and nighttime driving. A responsive 3.18-inch touchscreen makes navigation simple, while voice control allows hands-free operation. Built-in GPS records your driving route and speed, and the included 128GB memory card lets you start recording right out of the box. Pros: sharp 4K front and rear recording. Sony STARVIS 2 sensor for superior night vision. Responsive touchscreen display. Fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity. Built-in GPS tracking. Voice control support. Includes 128GB memory card. Reliable parking mode protection. Number 2. Pelsee S12 Native 4K plus 2.5K Mirror Dash Cam. The Pelsee S12 combines a smart rear-view mirror with a powerful dual-camera recording system. It captures native 4K front video and 2.5K rear footage, providing outstanding image quality for everyday driving. Its 8MP Starlit Color Night Vision produces bright, detailed recordings even in low light conditions. Wi-Fi 6 enables extremely fast video transfers to your smartphone, while the integrated GPS records trip information for additional driving records. Pros: native 4K front recording. Large smart mirror display. Excellent starlit color night vision. High-speed Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. Built-in GPS. Backup camera assistance. Includes 64GB memory card. Great for SUVs, trucks, and RVs. Number 3. WOLFBOX G840S 12-inch 4K Mirror Dash Cam. The WOLFBOX G840S upgrades your factory rear-view mirror into a modern driving system. Its large 12-inch touchscreen offers a clear live rear camera view while recording both front and rear footage in high resolution. The camera features excellent night vision, parking assistance, GPS tracking, and reliable wireless connectivity for easy video management. Its wide viewing angles help eliminate blind spots and improve driving safety. Pros: large 12-inch touchscreen mirror. High-quality 4K front recording. Wide-angle front and rear cameras. Excellent night vision. Built-in GPS. Parking assistance features. Fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Includes 32GB memory card. Number 4. VIOFO A229S 4K 60fps Dash Cam. The VIOFO A229S is built for drivers who demand professional-level recording quality. It captures ultra-smooth 4K video at 60 frames per second while simultaneously recording detailed 2K rear footage. Dual Sony STARVIS 2 sensors provide exceptional image quality in challenging lighting conditions, and Wi-Fi 6 delivers fast wireless file transfers. The camera also supports SSD storage up to 4 terabytes, making it ideal for long-distance drivers and commercial vehicles. Pros: 4K recording at 60 frames per second. Dual STARVIS 2 image sensors. Outstanding HDR image quality. Wi-Fi 6 smartphone connectivity. Advanced parking mode. Supports up to 4 terabytes SSD storage. Excellent long-term reliability. Number 5. VIOFO A229 Plus Dashcam. The VIOFO A229 Plus is a high-performance dual-channel dashcam that records crisp 1440p HDR video from both the front and rear cameras. Thanks to its dual STARVIS 2 sensors, it delivers exceptional clarity in daylight and nighttime conditions. Voice control makes operation effortless, while built-in GPS accurately tracks speed and driving routes. Fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows quick access to recorded videos through the companion mobile app. Pros: dual 1440p HDR recording, dual STARVIS 2 sensors, exceptional day and night image quality, built-in ultra-precise GPS, voice control support, fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, compact and easy to install. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best dash cams on Amazon in 2026. If you're looking for the best overall dash cam, the REDTIGER F7N Touch stands out with its impressive 4K recording, STARVIS 2 sensor, touchscreen controls, GPS, and voice control. Every model on today's list offers excellent performance and advanced safety features, making them great investments for protecting your vehicle and recording every journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.